Hello guys, this is VAXLY and today we're in another just renovated apartment in Calpe in La Fossa area. This apartment has incredible sea view as you can see here. So our investor bought this apartment with the less than the market price. Then we did the renovation of this apartment. We changed the floor planning and design of this apartment. We will show you later all the details about the renovation. What was done in this apartment? We covered the old tile with the new laminate. Then we painted all the walls in the apartment and we changed the whole bathrooms. We have 2 bathrooms in this apartment and we changed everything inside these bathrooms. I mean ceilings, walls, everything. Let's check it out together. Now we're in the heart of this apartment in living room. So you can find the photos above like how it was before to compare what we have now. So in living area, what we did, we just paint all the walls and the ceilings around. Then here it was a wall with the corridor here, but we took out the wall from this zone. Why? We have like 2 reasons. First reason is like as you can see there is like a big window and door on our terrace, and the main amount of the natural light comes from here, so that's why the corridor was like super black. And second reason is that when we took out this wall, our living room became more spacious. You can check it how it was before and now. Okay, let's check out our first guest bathroom. In this bathroom we changed everything. We changed the ceilings, we changed the floor tile, wall tile, everything. We installed new shower cabin, all new appliances as well. Then we installed the electricity for this mirror. Now it looks like super modern, and also you can find the all black details that gives this bathroom like a modern vibe. But I will be honest, that was the idea of the owner, but we always do the same way with other renovations. Here we have our guest bedroom. As you can see, owner decided to install like 2 floors bedroom to accommodate all the potential guests here. Another thing that we didn't touch the hidden wardrobes. Why? Because as you can see, the quality of the current one super nice because it's real wood, yeah. And if we will change that one for something from IKEA or something like that, the quality will be much more less. That's why we just didn't touch it because it's like quite a good product so far. Let's check it out. Another block of this apartment, which is master block. Master bedroom here has its own bathroom, and you can check the bathroom. We changed everything like it was done in a guest bathroom. So we have a new shower cabin with all appliances. Also we installed the ventilation extractors in both bathrooms. We painted the all walls this apartment, as I mentioned before, and this room is not exceptional. So guys, now you can check the kitchen. In this kitchen, as everywhere, we painted the ceiling and all the walls. Also, the tile of this kitchen was covered with another tile, as you can see it now. Also, all the kitchen appliances and furniture was changed for new one. Now it looks super modern and spacious. Also, this kitchen has the entrance to the another terrace, but there we don't have any changes because it's like in the good condition now. You had opportunity to watch like all the changes in this apartment that were done. That's super nice case. Then the owner bought the property with us with the less than market price, invest very reasonable money for the renovation, changed and gave to this apartment like a new modern fresh vibe, and now this apartment will go to the short-term renting. If you want to buy for the good price at the apartment in Calpe, overall in the Costa Blanca area, and you want to do the renovation of this apartment, for you it will be super convenient and safety if one company will take care about all this process. I mean the purchasing process, I mean the renovation process, and then management of property. So thank you for joining us today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like that, and nos vemos.